afternoon, Foundation. Look at the weather today. Do you know what? If Mr. Wolf was out walking today, he'd have to have his welly boots on, his raincoat and his umbrella. It's a little bit rainy and it's probably a bit difficult to hear Mr. FT because it's a bit windy. Now I know what you're thinking. What's wind? What is wind, Mr. FT? Well, you can't really see wind. Wind is invisible, which means you can't see it. You can see what it does though. Look at the trees behind me. They're kind of moving. That's the wind blowing through the trees, moving the trees. So you can see wind when it moves things. You know, sometimes if you go to the beach and it's really, really windy, the wind blows over the ocean and it moves the water on top of the ocean and it makes waves. In fact, it can make giant waves. Sometimes though, the wind is very gentle, what we call a breeze. But what is it? All of you do this, take a big deep breath in. Now everything you suck in and breathe into inside your body, into your lungs, well that's air. And wind is air that moves around our planet all the time. Sometimes it's strong, sometimes it's gentle. Today, I'm going to try and catch the wind. I know, I'm going to try and catch the wind, which is really tricky because wind is invisible. How can I catch the wind? My hands. Let me have a go at catching the wind with my hands. Not working. Well, that's not working. My hands are not big enough to catch the wind. Mind you, if I hold my hands up, I can feel the wind. I can feel the wind on my face. I need something bigger to catch the wind. What about a net? Would a net work? A net. That's not going to be any good, is it? It's got holes in it. Nets have got holes. The wind will go through the tiny holes. I've got an idea. What about Mr. FT's big plastic sheet? I'll have a look. That hasn't got any holes in it. Wait there. Look. Oh. Whoa. 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 Yes. The wind is definitely blowing this. Maybe if I had a smaller one, I could catch it. Woo. Look at the way the wind blows. It's blowing it like waves in the ocean. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Do you know what? I'm going to use a plastic sheet. I'm going to try and catch it. You could try and make something like that, maybe. You could even try making something called a kite. They're cool. Watch this. Whoa. Wait for the wind to blow. Where's the wind gone? It's disappeared. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. I'm catching the wind. It is wow. I'm catching the wind. It's pulling me. The more the wind goes in, it can actually pull me over. It's just like a sail on a boat. Woo, 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 woo. Ah. That's a good idea. I might make a small boat and make a little sail and let the wind blow and push the boat with its strength. Wow, well that was cool. Maybe we can learn about lots of other types of weather. What about if I teach you about the sun and the heat? Should we do that next time? Well, that was cool. Wind is cool.